Discussion to
47, हाँ
English
सर
4, page number 47. The heading
हाँ सर
towards
कंटिन्यू
we are going to go or we are going to discuss, that is modal verbs. Modal
अगेन
verbs.
सर
बुझियला? So
हाँ
it
सर
is in the chapter 3. In English language, there are a number of auxiliary verbs that help the main verbs to express various language functions. One such group of auxiliary verb is called modal auxiliaries or modals. In short form, it is known as modals. And in English grammar, it is said here that modal auxiliaries, in short form, it is known as modals. Modals बोलिकर कहूँ जोटा कि modal auxiliaries by modal verbs, and they have different language functions. They all have different language functions. So we should note it down. What are those modal verbs? कौन से modal verb? देखो, they are shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could, need, dare, must, ought to, used
मस्त
to. Besides these,
हाँ सर
there are
कंप्लीट है हाँ
some modal like expressions such as have, had, to, be able to, be about to, etc. Those are different modal verbs. Let's see.
सर हाफ भी मॉडल बोल सर
Yes, बुझियला अच्छी
हाँ सर
माने it is used in different language, or it is used in different functions. It has different functions. बुझियला? Through the discussions, it
अगेन
will be very easier to understand.
अगेन
बुझियला?
सर
कौन पाई लागे कोठी यूज होची सेटा आमे जानी परिबा. बुझियला?
अगेन सर
Yes. So देखो ये आम जापर थ्रू सेक्शन 1 डिस्कशन विच इज मेंशनड हियर. कैन कूट लगे, कूड कूट लगे, मे कूट लगे, विल कूट लगे, वुड कूट लगे. बुझेला? प्रायतः
अगेन
वी
सर
नो कैन माने आम जानी परिवा. कूड,
परिवार थरे
yes, and could is used where?
पास्ट
Yes, could is used for past. बुझेला? Similarly, may is there, will also there, and would is there. Actually, if we say in one sentence where that modal verbs are used to make it too much standard, when we are going to speak something before a standard person we are standing, बुझेला? We speak different languages. आमे किछि languages को suppose while we are discussing with our friends and while we are talking to our mother and father, बुझेला?
अगेन सर
And when you are talking to your principal or your lecturer or your teacher, the language becomes quite different, नहीं कि?
हाँ सर
देखो, what my point is actually, when I am speaking to my friend, जेतोले मु मोर सांग को कथा होची, quite different language is used कि नहीं?
हाँ सर
Because they are closed one. What kind of language we can speak to them, नहीं कि?
हाँ सर
But when you are going to talk to the video, suppose you are talking to collector, some standard persons in the society, as we know, ଯେତେବେଳେ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ଲୋକ ବଡ଼ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଆମେ କଥା ହେଉଛୁ, the language becomes quite different, ଟିକେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଯାଇଥାଏ କି ନାହିଁ?
हाँ सर
ମାନେ it is not that much normal as we say. ଆମେ normal ବୋଲିକିରି କହିପାରିବା ନାହିଁ. And
स्टार्ट हुआ
when we speak to our mother and father, it is kind of ମାନେ we are very close to those persons कि नहीं? माने some
हाँ
home languages are used. तांको ପାଇଁ
हाँ
ଗୋଟେ
सर
अलग language है. When we come out of the society, when we come to, बुझे लगी नहीं? When we come
हाँ
to,
सर
or when we come across, suppose lecturers or your standard persons like your principal, your teachers, your tuition teacher, okay, some
हाँ
persons,
सर
बुझे लगी नहीं? They are quite different from others. ସେମାନେ ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା ଲୋକ. So kind of different languages are used when we speak to those people. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କଥା ହଉ, ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ପ୍ରକାର ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ତିଆରି ହେଇଯାଏ, ଅଟୋମେଟିକ୍ ଏଇଟା ଆସିଯାଏ. ଯେମିତି ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଅଛି, ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଆସିପାରେ କି ଭିତରକୁ, ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ? ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଇପାରେ କି? We want to get permission, ବୁଝିଲା? If
हाँ
the
सर
teacher allows us, then we go out from the class, बुझिला? And when we are allowed or when we are permitted, we come into the class. So those are different functions. ए भलिया standard language यूज होता है, से क्षेत्र में भी व्यवहार होता है. देखो, read this or look at those dialects carefully. Dialects किछि लेखा जायछि. You can see over here mentioned Suresh is speaking to Mahesh. Okay,
हाँ जी
can you lend me your bicycle? Mahesh is speaking, of course I am not using it today. बुझेला. Look at the first
हाँ
sentence. Can you lend me your bicycle? तमर bicycle मते टिके देई परिबो कि? Then Mahesh replied,
हाँ जी
of course I am not using it today. मो देई परिबी, निश्चित मो देई परिबी,
आज एटा मैं व्यवहार
व्यवहार
करूँ
करू नै. So can means it is used माने for the kindness. माने somebody, suppose somebody is there and you know that he is bound to deny you and he is bound to refuse you to give that bicycle to you. बुझेला.
यस सर
But the language forces him to lend him the bicycle to you. बुझेला. एमती किछि languages कहला परे he or she will be bound to lend you. तुमको से देवा पे बाध्य होई पारे. बुझेला. So I am not telling that actually the language, if it is too much standard, then it can force someone to do something. बुझेला. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ ଜଣକୁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛ, ଫୋର୍ସ କରୁଛ, ମାନେ ଦ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ वी कैन से इट इज नॉट दैट मच स्टैंडर्ड येट. एपर्यंत स्टैंडर्ड है नहीं. एटा गोटे काइंडनेस, आमर काइंडनेस एटा देखा जाउछि. बुझियला. कैन यू लेंड मी योर बाइसाइकल? तुमरो बाइसाइकल मते देई परियो. ए प्लीज लेंड मी योर बाइसाइकल. नोबडी विल गिव यू. तुम जदि तांको गोटे फोर्स गोटे माने द लैंग्वेज, इफ द लैंग्वेज इज नॉट दैट मच रेस्पेक्टेड, देन नोबडी इज गोइंग टू ओबी योर लैंग्वेज बा वर्ड्स. तुम कथा को कहीं शुणवे ना जब तुम लैंग्वेज से दयावान बा से स्टैंडर्ड ही ना. सो ऑल द वे आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ यू आर टेलिंग समथिंग और इफ यू आर स्पीकिंग समथिंग, यू शुड बी वेरी काइंड. बुझेला. इफ यू वांट टू कंप्लीट योर वर्क और फिनिश योर टास्क, देन यू शुड बी वेरी काइंड व्हाइल यू आर टॉकिंग समवन. जेतेबेले तुम जनक सहित कथा होचो, लैंग्वेज बहुत दयावान रहा दरकार बा लैंग्वेजटा बहुत स्टैंडर्ड होगा दरकार. जमती जड़े तुमको माने फोर्सफुली बा गोटे रिक्वेस्ट से गोटे माने साटिस्फाई है कि से देई परिबो. बुझेला. देखो दैट कैन हैज बीन रेक्टिफाइड हियर एंड इट हैज बीन मेड टू मच काइंड और इट हैज बीन टू मच स्टैंडर्ड लैंग्वेज हियर इन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. Look at the example number 2. Student is speaking to his or her teacher. Could I borrow your dictionary, sir? देखो, when Suresh was talking to Mahesh, the language was can. How the language is quite different when that student was talking to the teacher. जेतेबेले student teacher को कथा होची, the language has been standard here. देखो ए केमती standard language है. Could I borrow your dictionary, sir? मो आपनकर dictionary ता नहीं पारी कि सर बोली कि बुझेला. We can see the difference between those two sentences. Can you lend me your bicycle? Could I borrow your dictionary, sir? How much respect we get over here through this discussion. Then the teacher replied, yes, certainly, but it's meant only for very advanced learners. बुझेला. एटा केवल advanced learner मानकर पाई बोली कहले. So that sentence we are not going to discuss, which is said by the teacher. Teacher कोई थवा sentence का हम देखिवा नहीं. Just we will come to know how that student told the teacher, could I borrow your dictionary, sir? That means he was requesting to his teacher. बुझेला. We are moving to the next example. Syam was talking to a stranger. Syam name of a person. Stranger मान कौन कहथिले?
सर स्ट्रेंजर माने माने अजଣା लोक,
अजଣା व्यक्ति. So he was talking to a stranger and he asked, will you open the door please? देखो still the language has not become standard here. ए पर्यंत ए जो language टी एते standard ही नहीं. In the next sentence, if we discuss it properly, we will come to know that the difference between will and would. Will और would विषय difference हम सेतेबेले जानि परिबा if we go through those two sentences. Look at the first one. Will you open the door please? Stranger को पचारुछि कि Syam, a person, was talking to the stranger. बुझेला. And he didn't know much about the stranger and he asked, will you open the door please? से कहला द माने the kindness is still there. Kindness जोटा हमें कहछु kind, the language is too kind, but it is not that much kind as compared to the number 4 sentence. बुझेला. Will you open the door please? The stranger replied, sure. But come to the next sentence. Jatin was talking to a speaker.
speaker,
Would you mind repeating the last sentence, sir? Jatin ପଚାରୁଛି would you mind repeating the last sentence, sir? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କରିବ କି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସଟା ରିପିଟ୍ କଲେ? ସ୍ପିକର said not at all, I said that. ବୁଝିଲା, ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି ସେଟା not at all, ମୁଁ ରାଗିବି ନାହିଁ ବା ମୁଁ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କରିବି ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି. That
କହିବି
means
ମୁଁ
through those two sentences, number 3 sentence, look at the number 4 sentence which was spoken by Jatin, and another sentence number 3 which was spoken by Syam. The difference, that means it says or it indicates the difference between will and would. If we say would, it is become more standard. ବୁଝିହେଲା,
ହଁ ସାର୍
ଯେତେବେଳେ will ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ would ଲେଖଉଛୁ ସେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି more standard ହେଉଛି, and it the language is looking too much standard. ବୁଝିହେଲା. Then we are
Yes,
moving
sir.
the next sentence number 5. Gina was talking to a speaker. May I ask a question please? By all means. ବୁଝିହେଲା. Gina told to the speaker, may I ask a question please? ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିପାରେ କି ବା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିପାରେ କି ଦୟାକରି? By all means, the speaker replied. We are not going to discuss what that speaker told. We will move directly to the number 6 sentence. ବୁଝିହେଲା. So landlady was, landlady ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ଯେଉଁ ରହିଛି ଘରର ମାଲିକାଣୀ, she was talking to a maid servant. Will you please clean the kitchen? That was another sentence. Those are the give. देखो ये जो दीटा sentence ଦେଇଛି, it is, there is no such comparison, just it is an example. ବୁଝିଲା, କେବଳ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ଼ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ହିସାବରେ ମଡ଼ାଲ୍ସ ୟୁଜ୍ ହେଇଥାଏ. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ଟିକେ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ଼ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମର ଏନ୍ଭାୟରମେଣ୍ଟରୁ ବାହାରିକରି ଅଲଗା ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
ହଁ
ଯେ
ସାର୍.
ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ
Indian
ରହୁଛୁ,
ଲୋକଙ୍କ
ସେତେବେଳେ
Yes.
ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ବିକମ୍ସ କ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ, ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଥାଏ. ବୁଝିହେଲା ନା?
ହଁ ସାର୍
Language,
ଆମେ
it depends upon us. That means how we can be more polite. है ना? If you politely speak to your authority or your higher authority or who is very respected or standard person in the society, it will be, ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହିପାରିବା, that it will be more standard and it will be more official or it will be more formal language. ବୁଝିହେଲା?
ହଁ ସାର୍
And always you should remember can and could. Can is informal and could is very much
Okay.
formal and polite.
ହଁ ସାର୍
Polite way ରେ ଆମେ
ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଲାଗିବ
yes, ସେମିତି କଥା ନାହିଁ, ବଟ୍ ଆମେ କହିବା ଯେତେବେଳେ the language differs. ବୁଝିହେଲା, it depends upon persons. ବୁଝିହେଲା, କିଛି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ନେଇକରି ଭାଷାଟା ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଥାଏ ଆମର. ବୁଝିହେଲା. And always could would stands for what? More polite and standard, official, and formal.
ହଁ ସାର୍
ବୁଝିହେଲା.
ଫର୍ମାଲ
हाँ, and can is informal and will is also informal. ବୁଝିହେଲା, ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଜିନିଷ ଏ କଥା କୁହାଯାଇଛି. Can is informal while could is more formal and polite. ବୁଝିହେଲା. And may
Okay.
some extent may is rather formal.
ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଞ୍ଜର
हाँ, rather formal. ବୁଝିହେଲା,
ହଁ ସାର୍
ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଫର୍ମାଲ ଭାବରେ ୟୁଜ୍ ହେଇଥାଏ.
କେବେ କେମିତି
हाँ,
ହଁ ସାର୍
and will is used to make requests when we don't need to be particularly formal or
हाँ,
polite.
ଜାଣିନୁ ଆମେ କୋଉଟା
नहीं नहीं, will is used to make request. सादा generally will is used to make a request. बुझला, that can be managed. will आमे लगेले manage हेई परिबो when we were requesting to someone. बुझला. And
Yes.
when we don't need to be particularly formal or polite, जोठी आमे when we are talking to one of your closed, we can say आमे कोई परिबो one of our closed person. जब तो आमे गोटे closed person को କଥା होचो, there is no need to be more formal and there we can use will. ବୁଝିଲା, will ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିପାରେ ଯୋଉଠିକି ପୋଲାଇଟ୍ ହେବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ କି ଫର୍ମାଲ୍ ହେବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ବୁଝିଲା. ସୋ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଇଛି, would you or would you mind is used when we want to be more polite or formal. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଧିକା ପୋଲାଇଟ୍, ଅଧିକା ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ଼, ଅଧିକା ଅଫିସିଆଲ, ଅଧିକା ଫର୍ମାଲ୍ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛେ, there we use would you like to take a cup of tea or would you mind to go out with me. ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ? ଏଭଳିଆ ଜିନିଷ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
that means it is used for more polite and formal ବୁଝିହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା